Hello everyone. Today we're going to continue talking about the three branches of government. Remember, the three branches are the legislative, executive, and judicial branch. The legislative branch, this is where laws are made. They are located in the U.S. Capitol building, and Congress is part of the legislative branch. So Congress consists of the Senate and the House of Representatives. So there are two parts to the House of Representatives, and that is the Senate, House of Representatives. They're both part of Congress. So for the Senate, there are 100 elected senators total. This includes 2 senators for each state. So every state has 2 senators. California has 2, Virginia has 2, Alaska has 2, Wyoming has 2, New York has 2. Every state has 2. The House of Representatives, there are 435 elected representatives total. The number of representatives per state is based on each state's population. So more population equals more representatives. California has more representatives than Virginia because it has more population. Now the executive branch. The executive branch carries out the laws. This means they make sure the people follow them. This branch includes the president. Also includes the vice president. So the vice president and the cabinet are also in the executive branch. If the president died while in office, the vice president would become president. The cabinet is nominated by the president. At least 51 senators must approve the president's choice for cabinet members, and members of the cabinet advise the president on different topics. So the president nominates them, he chooses them, but the Senate must approve. If the Senate doesn't approve, then that person cannot be on the cabinet. Next is the judicial branch, and the judicial branch evaluates laws. This means they make sure laws are fair and equal. The judicial branch includes the Supreme Court and other federal courts. So if you ever see court, it's part of the judicial branch. So now we're going to talk about the Supreme Court. This is the highest court in the United States. They can listen to and possibly change lower court decisions. Laws are also sometimes changed by the Supreme Court. So the legislative branch makes laws, but the Supreme Court has the ability to change laws. And on the Supreme Court, there are 9 Supreme Court justices. These are the 9 right here. They are nominated by the president and must be approved by the Senate with at least 51 votes. So the president president nominates, but the Senate has to vote, and they need 51 votes. That's it for today. If you have any questions, let me know.